Now, we will introduce the part of these keys functions. Press Alt T to enter Off function. The first option, Off Effects, allows to close shape effects on selected features. For example, there is a shape effect playback running like that. Then we can select these two features and pressing Off Effect. Now we can see those two features have been closed. The features are not selected will not be affected. Next, Off all effects. That means all shape effects will be closed regardless if the features are selected or not. For example, a same program, then I will not select any features and select the option directly. So now we can see the effect has been closed. Let's continue. Off. The next option, Off selected features. It can name off and stop the selected features. For example, the same program. Now I select these two features and select Off selected feature. So we can see these two features have been named off. And the next option, Release all playback. For example, we have some playbacks are running at the same time. We can present this option to release all of them directly. Besides, if we are running some of playbacks, when we enter Off function, we can tap the key to close one of them. For example, number 2, number 1, number 3, and number 4. The next one, Copy. The copy function, it can be used in many options except features. For example, I want to copy a group. For example, group 1. Then, if there is an empty target, for example, number 11, we can simply paste. Let's continue. For example, copy number 2. If there is already something in the target, for example, number 11 here, then when we present 11, we will have options override or merge. Then, if the copy and paste root and target are playbacks, there is an additional options. For example, number 6 to number 7. There will be a copy to last step option. This option is very convenient to compose several queues to be a queue list playback. The next function, Delete. When entering delete function, delete all data can delete all edited data on the console. Or we can delete all preset, all playback, or all groups by selecting corresponding options. Besides, we may delete a single target by double tap the key. For example, If I want to delete a group, number 11, then I can double tap on 11. We can find 11 have been deleted. The next one is move function. It is easy to move a root to another location. For example, I want to move playback A to playback 15. Then we can press move, then number A to 15. So now we can see the playback on number A have been moved to number 15 now. And if there is something already on the target, for example, move number 6 to number 15, then we can have option override or swap. These are the functions for these several keys.